Hi everyone, my name is Jess and welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I have something a little bit different that I hope that you like and enjoy. I'm going to be like organizing my whole craft room. I moved about 2 weeks now. Yeah, I moved about 2 weeks to this new house, and we are really excited and happy, but as you can see I have a big mess in this craft room. So I'm gonna try to like organize this mess as best as I can. Guys, if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. That really helps to support my channel, and make sure that you are subscribed and that you hit the bell to get notified every single time that I'm going to be uploading new videos. And remember to follow me on all my social media pages, my webpage jazomy.com, and my other channel Jazomy Home. Last week we posted a new video finally, and we are so happy for that. So make sure that you click in the description box. The link is going to be over there. And yeah, I hope that you like this one, and take a cup of coffee, relax, and let's get started. Okay, so I removed a few boxes already, and most of the starch beans that are here, they're supposed to go in these like closet that I have here. And this time in this new house I have my own closet for me to put more crafts and stuff. So yeah, now I'm going to be organizing the, I don't know, it's a lot. Okay, this one, the little one. I want to try to, no. Let's organize the big one, okay? Yeah. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna try to organize the big closet. I'm gonna work with that now, because most of the storage bins has the things that need to go there. So let's continue with this mess. Nope, I need to add nails on the back, because on the move they fall out, so I need to add nails on the back. Yep. The cabinet on the top with a screw. That is going to help a lot with all the weight that I'm going to add to the cabinet. So yeah, now I'm going to fill these baby with all my stuff. have no idea why I have all of this. It's like grass inside of this storage cabinet. I have no idea. I'm gonna use this one and I know that it's going to work. I love this mini ladybug vacuum. I clean everything. And guys, just in case, I'm going to leave a link in the description box where you can get it. I get it from Amazon and it works. Oh my god, I have these for like 2 years now. And it's like brand new. Okay, next I have these other storage cabinet that I get from Facebook Market. So I'm going to be using these. I have these for a long time. I'm going to be using these to storage all the paint and like the things that I use to create texture, like caulk, sparkling, all of those things. I'm going to be adding those inside of these. But yeah, this is what I have and this is what I'm going to be using, and I really like it. It's pretty heavy, but I like it to storage all the paint. So let's get started. Bring me the box with the baskets, please.
One moment.
Thank you. Oh, perfect. Move that stuff.
Oh. Something else? Need coffee or something?
Thank you. You can go.
Go? And you're starting?
This is DIY by Jazz. This is my channel.
Yeah, but we're just on my home together.
No, but this is my channel. You can go.
I was ready to start.
No. You can do the other stuff that you're doing already.
Well, see you in just on my home.
Well, I suppose see you in just on my home. We post a new video, so guys, make sure you check that video. The link is going to be in the description box. Organizer from IKEA. It only costs $10, $9.99 I think. So I'm gonna try it. I think I'm going to put like all of the hot glue and the craft supplies that I use the most when I'm crafting, like glue, scissors, paint brushes, things like that. So I'm going to use this organizer for that. It has 4 levels. So let's see. I don't know if this is gonna work. It moves a lot. I don't know. Let's see. I did it. Okay, my loves, this is how my craft room turns out, and I really like it. I'm so happy and so proud. I was all day long working on this room, and now I can't be more happy with the results. I feel so much better about this space, and I think now with the simple decoration that I did, it's going to help me to get inspired to make new DIYs for you guys. And if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. That really helps to support my channel. Please leave me a comment and make sure that you are subscribed, that you hit the bell, and that you share this video with friends and family. Remember to follow me on all my social media pages, my webpage, and my other channel, Jazomy Home. All the links are going to be in the description box, and see you in the next video. Mwah. Bye guys.